I went to work, I came back. It's one of those cloudy days. And I have a good night of sleep, but for some reason I still feel so tired. My legs are hurting after hours working. But it's time that I finish this first. Then I will go to get my last of the laundry, and if I have any energy I will cut my fabric. I'm really in pain right now, but sometimes walking helps me a lot, so let's try to get this done. I was getting ready to do my baking and I discovered that I don't have coconut, so now I'm going to get some coconut and also some marshmallow, because my husband told me that he forgot that, and I don't want to do shopping tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a crazy day, so we better go and get this right now. Okay, parking will be no easy here. Ooh. Oh, never mind. It's just for pickup. Oh, this will take a little time. I can only find the jumbo side. I need the regular side.